I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with a fast, focused sweep. Check battery and data use immediately because malware often runs constantly. Open Settings, view battery and data graphs, and note any unexplained spikes. Next, inspect running apps and background processes, force stop unknown items so you can observe changes. Once you've listed suspicious entries, make sure to take screenshots and note timestamps. This gives you evidence to compare later and prevents accidental deletion of transient traces while you prepare for deeper inspection. You now dig deeper. Reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps and see if the problem persists, because persistence in safe mode indicates system-level compromise. Run a thorough scan with a trusted antivirus app and follow quarantine instructions. Manually review app permissions and recent installs from the last 30 days. Revoke admin rights immediately from any unfamiliar app. If you find a culprit, uninstall it in safe mode and clear cache and data. Keep notes on each action and results for troubleshooting. You wrap up by locking down accounts and removing access. Change passwords for email, banking, and social accounts, and enable two-factor authentication everywhere you can. Back up essential data to an external drive or secure cloud, then perform a factory reset if malware remains or root access was detected. After resetting, reinstall apps selectively and monitor for recurrence. If strange activity continues, contact a professional for device forensics. This prevents further damage and helps recover compromised credentials and evidence for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.